Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 9 perimeter and area of class 6th mathematics. First of all, we will see the introduction part. What is perimeter? The distance thus covered will be the length of the wire used to make the figure. This distance is called perimeter. A perimeter is the length of the boundary of a figure. Here there are many figures drawn here. You can see the length of the boundary of a figure. Okay, that will be the perimeter of any particular figure. Now, how we can calculate the perimeter of following figure? Now, we will see for this particular figure number first. Here you can see how many sides are there, that are AB, then BC, then CD, then DA. So to find out the perimeter, we will write AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now we will add the values which is given on the figure. You can see on the AB it is given 8 centimeter, on the BC it is given 6 centimeter, on the CD it is given 10 centimeter, or on DA it is given 5 centimeter. So accordingly we have to put the values. So after adding the values, that is 8 plus 6 plus 10 plus 5, that is 29. So that will be the perimeter of a particular figure. Now we will see the how we can find out the perimeter of rectangle. So for that we have a formula, but here first we will see what is length and breadth. For the particular rectangle, this will be the length of an rectangle, length, and this will be the breadth of an rectangle. So now what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Or we can denote length by L and breadth by B. Then the perimeter of rectangle will be 2 into L plus B. Now for the perimeter of regular polygons, that will be the perimeter of equilateral triangle, that is 3 into length of side, because in the equilateral triangle all sides are equal, so here we have written 3 into length of sides. Now for the perimeter of square, in square also all sides are equal. You can see 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 9 and 9. So we can write perimeter of square equals to 4 into length of side. Now accordingly the perimeter of a regular polygon, that is number of sides into length of sides. Now on the basis of these formulas we are going to solve exercise number 9.1. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the following figures. All measures are in centimeters. Now for the first figure, that is first, that here you can see the sides are given. So we know what is the formula of perimeter, that is sum of all the sides of the given figure. So perimeter equals to sum of all the sides, that is 10 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8. Now you have to add all the values, and whatever the answer will be, that is 44, that will become in centimeter, because the measurement in this question are given in centimeter. Now the question number 2, perimeter of figure 2, that is sum of all sides. Now 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1.5 plus 1 plus 15.5 plus 30. Now you have to calculate that will be 47 centimeter. Now in the same manner you have to solve for these other two questions. Now we will see for the fifth figure, that is 7 plus 7 plus 2.5 plus 11.5 plus 2.5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2.5 plus 11.5. Now we have to add all the values, and whatever the answer, that will be the perimeter of a particular figure, that is 61 centimeter. Now likewise you have to find out the perimeter for the next three figures. Now question number 2, find the perimeter of the following triangles. Now we have to calculate the perimeter for the following triangles. A triangle with sides 11 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So we know perimeter equals to sum of all sides. It means 11 plus 7 plus 5, that is 23 centimeter. Now an isosceles triangle with equal sides of 6.5 centimeter and other side 4 centimeter. Now in isosceles triangle two sides are equal, so we have to write 6.5 two times and then the other side, that is 4 centimeter. So 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 4, that will be 17 centimeter. Now third, an equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter. Equilateral triangle are the triangle in which all the sides are equal. So we have to write 9 plus 9 plus 9 because all the sides are equal. Therefore the answer will be 27 centimeter. Now question number 3, find the length of the side of a square whose perimeter is 60 centimeter. So perimeter of a square, that is 4 into side, that we already studied in the previous concept, that is perimeter of a square equals to 4 into side. Now here the perimeter is given, that is 60. So here we have written 60 equals to 4 into side. Now here we have to find out the length of the side. So this 4 will become 60 divided by 4. It means side equals to 60 divided by 4, that is 15. So side equals to 15 centimeter. Centimeter because the perimeter is given in the centimeter, it means the side will be also in centimeter. Now question number 4, find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with side 3.5 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of sides and pentagon means 5 sides. So one side equals to 3.5, and we know the pentagon has 5 sides, so we have to write 3.5 5 times. We have to add them 5 times, and when we add 3.5 5 times, we will get the answer 17.5 centimeter. Now question number 5, find the length of the side of a regular octagon with perimeter 56 centimeter. Now in octagon there are 8 sides. Now here the perimeter is given, that is 56. So perimeter equals to 8x. It means 56 equals to 8x. Now this 56 divided by 8, that will be equals to x. When you will divide, you will get the value 7. So the length of the side of a regular octagon, that will be 7 centimeter. Now question number 6, Rita and Rima are regular walkers. Rita walks twice around the boundary of a square park with side 30 meter, and Rima walks around the boundary of a triangular park with equal sides of 75 meter. Who walks the greater distance and by how much? So we know for a square park, it means the formula is 4 into side. It means 4 into 30, that will be 130 meter, and Rita walk twice the boundary of park, so the distance will be 2 into 130, it means 260, that will be. Now the perimeter of triangular park, that is triangular, it means the 3 sides will be there, that will be 75 plus 75 plus 75, it means 225. Now you can compare both the values, then you can see there is 240 meter and here it is 225 meter. It means the Rita walk 15 meter more than Rima. Now question number 7, Jaideep wants to fence his rectangular garden with double wire. If the sides of the garden are 25 meter by 20 meter and the cost of fencing 1 meter is rupees 18. Find the cost of fencing the garden. Now here you can see 25 meter by 20 meter. So this is the length. 25 meter will be the length of garden and 20 will be the breadth of garden. So accordingly we have to find out the perimeter of garden. If we have the length and breadth, so we can find out, and you can see here it is rectangular. It means we have to apply the formula of perimeter of rectangular. That will be 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 multiply 25 plus 20. 25 plus 20. 25 plus 20, that will be 45, and when you will multiply 2 into 45 you will get 90. That will be in meter, because all the units are given in the question, that is whether it will be in meter. So 90 meter. Now wire required for one round, that is 90 meter. Now wire required for two round, that will be 180 meter. So the cost of fencing 1 meter is rupees 18. So we have to multiply 180 into 18. It means the cost will be 3240 rupees. Now question number 8. In the same manner you have to solve for the hexagon. Here it is given in the hexagon. It means we know the formula of hexagon, that is perimeter of hexagon equals to 6 into side. So accordingly you have to find out for this question. Now question number 9. The perimeter of a triangle is 62.5 centimeter. If two of its sides are 18 centimeter and 21 centimeter, find the third side. So perimeter of triangle it is given, that is 62.5 centimeter, and we know the formula of perimeter, that is sum of all sides. It means let the side will be x, the third side will be x. So 62.5 equals to 18 plus 21 plus x. Now 18 plus 21, that will be 39. Now 62.5 minus 39 will be equals to the x, and when you will subtract 62.5 minus 39, you will get 23.5 centimeter. That will be the answer. Now question number 10. Find the perimeter of a rectangular strip of land with sides 1.5 kilometer and 600 meter. Perimeter of rectangle, we know the formula 2 into L plus B. The length is 1.5 kilometer. So we know in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter. If here it is given 1.5 kilometer, then you have to multiply 1.5 into 1000. It means 1500. That will be 1500 meter. This is the length, and 600 meter, that will be the breadth. So accordingly we have to put these values in the formula. The formula is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length is 1500 and breadth is 600. Now 1500 plus 600, that will be 2100. Now you have to multiply 2100 into 2. It means 4200 meter. This will be the perimeter of rectangular strip of land. Now question number 11. Find the perimeter of a rectangular table top with sides 1 meter, 15 centimeter and 80 centimeter. Now we will see how many centimeter is there in 1 meter 15 centimeter. So that will be 115 centimeter, because in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. So 100 plus 15, it means 115 centimeter. Now we have to put the same formula, that is for the rectangular 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 115 and breadth is 80. 2 into, now 80 plus 115, that is 195. Now you have to multiply, then you will get the value 390. So 390 in centimeter. Now question number 12. The length of a rectangle is 16 centimeter if its perimeter is 50 centimeter, find its breadth. So length of rectangle equals to 16 centimeter, perimeter is 50 centimeter. This is given. Now we know the formula of perimeter, that is 2 into length plus breadth equals to perimeter, that is 50. So the length is given, that is 16 plus b equals to 25, because here we can write, let me solve, 50 divided by 2, it means L plus b equals to 25. Now L plus b equals to 25. Now what is the value of L? It is given in the question, that is 16. So we can write 16 plus b equals to 25. So 16 plus b equals to 25. So b equals to 25 minus 16. It means 9 in centimeter. This will be the breadth. Now question number 13. Which has greater perimeter? A regular pentagon of side 10 centimeter or a rectangle with side 17 centimeter and 12 centimeter, and by how much? So we know the pentagon has 5 sides, it means perimeter of pentagon equals to 5 into side. So 5 into 10, because side is given, that is 10 centimeter, it means 50 centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle for these values 17 and 12, that will be 58 centimeter. Now you can see we have to find out the difference. So 58 minus 50, it means 8 centimeter, that will be the difference. Now question number 14. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 75 meter at rupees 16 per meter. So we know for the square we will apply the formula of perimeter of a square, it means 4 into sides. So 4 into 75 meter, it means 300 meter. Now the cost of fencing is 16 per meter, it means 300 into 16, it means 4800 will be the cost of fencing. Now question number 15 you have to solve in the same manner. Now question number 16. The dimension of a rectangular field are 100 meter by 75 meter. If Chandar runs 5 times along its boundary, find the distance he cover in kilometer. So the length is given, that is 100 meter, and breadth is 75 meter. Now we have to apply the formula of perimeter. So the perimeter will be equals to 350, and here it is given 5 times along the boundary. So we have to multiply 350 into 5. So whatever the value will be, that will be 1750 meter. Now you have to convert them in kilometer, that will be 1.75 kilometer. Now question number 70, in the same manner you have to solve. Question number 18. After walking 3 times along the boundary of a triangular ground with equal side, Manu finds that he has walked 2250 meter. Find the length of a side of the ground. Now traveled, that will be 2250 divided by 3 times, because we have to find for the 1 time, so we have to divide by 3. So traveled equals to 750 meter. So perimeter of triangle we know 3x, because 3 into sides is there. So 3x equals to 750. So we have to divide 750 by 3. So x equals to 250. So 250 is the length of side of the ground. Now question number 19. The perimeter of rectangle is 76 centimeter. If its breadth is 16 centimeter, find its length. What would be the perimeter if the length is doubled? So breadth is 16, length we have to find out. So we have to apply the perimeter of rectangle. It is given, that is 76. Now we have to put the value, and then we can easily find out the length. Now if the length is double, it means the length is 22. When we will double, it means we have to multiply 2 into 22, it will become 44 centimeter. And the breadth is 16 centimeter. Then we have to find out the perimeter. It means 2 into L plus B, that means 2 into 16 plus 44, that is 60. So 2 into 60, that will be 120 centimeter, that will be the perimeter. Now question number 20. The cost of fencing a square field was rupees 1380 at the rate of rupees 15 per meter. Find the side of the field. So perimeter of the square field equals to 1380 divided by 15, that will be 92 meter. So 4 into side equals to 92. Now we have to divide 92 by 4, that will be 23 meter, that will be the side of the field. So here we have completed exercise number first of this chapter, perimeter and area. Now in the next video we will start the new exercise and the new concept we will see. Till that you have to practice all these questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.